Sy kan post jou achievements. Sy kan jou achievements post. En daar gaat genoeg mense wat jou gaat congratulate op jou achievements. Maar moet jy jou achievements te veel post. Because dan gaat hulle omdraai en sê jy breek. You must be proud, but you mustn't be too proud. That is how society will guide you. And if you get any sort of achievement, whether it is through your own hard work or through the grace of God, you must give back to the community. Daar is 'n community wat nie daar gewys het vir jou nie. Daar is 'n community wat nie geglo het in jou nie, wat nie die week saam jou gedoen het nie. Nou wil hy community ook hê, sy moet teruggee vir hulle. Maar okay, hy seker maar hoe die wêreld is.
Guys, ek weet nie wie moet die worry. Maar luister hier. Wat sy nie het nie, moet sy nie nou het nie. Wat sy verloor het jy verloor. En wat jy moet het, sal jy het. Het 'n lekker dag. Tap out jou fire.
Nou, ek weet nie wie moet die worry nie. And guys, please hear me out. Ek kom nie van 'n place van jealousy af of envy af of whatever the case may be. I'm just going to be speaking facts. I mean, you don't have to put everything on social media. Let's be real. Some people are just too overwhelming on this platform. I mean, as jy jou phone openmaak, dan maak jy video's by jou pool, dan breek jy van jou huis, dan breek jy van jou karre. Altyd, you always have to rub shit in people's faces. Dan moet ons jou hoor van jou income en jou affordability. People are going through the most here, my man. Right? People are really struggling just to make ends meet. En sy tyd om goed tussen mense gesigte te smee. Nou het sy weer 'n nuwe Ford-bakkie gekoop. Well done. Maar die is mense hier buite wat eens weet waar die niks brood vandaan afkom nie. So stop being immature, woman. Be an adult. Like sy sê regtig, you are really, really petty, my brother, man. En nou kan sy weer sê people are hating on you. Sê van mense wat hate, sy kyk te veel nie op jou eie mense. Majority of the colored people in the colored community don't like you. Because sy's 'n breek gehad, my bro. So yeah, Cedric Laguma, nou kan sy maar kom vir my brother. I'm ready. But I want to say this. Congratulations, my brother. Congratulations on your new ride, bro. Yo, well done, my brother. You always outdo yourself. And I think it is well deserved. And I wish you and your family many, many safe travels with this new ride. And yeah, God bless you guys, man. Maybe that's something you should think about.
Don't get confused and think these niggas is happy that you made it out. Because anytime a youngin' make it out, guess what all the niggas around him do? They question God. Why did he make it out? Why was he the one? Why you didn't put them blessings on me? Because it wasn't in the cards for you, nigga. But to all the youngins, don't ever get confused like the hood love you. They love me now. No, they don't. They envious, they jealous, and they questioning God. Why did he make it out?